Today we have students from all of the schools in the Claremont Unified School District. They are in grades 5 through 12, and they're all trying to see whose robot can do the best in the courses, as well as the reports that they've written. The school district has purchased the Mindstorms NXT version 2 kit, and that is the only equipment they are allowed to use. Well, the robots have two tasks, and they're really coming from different angles. The first is simply a quick trip. How fast can they go from one end to the other and back? And that requires one set of programming skills. The other is a city trip, and in the city trip they have to follow a course which they don't know ahead of time. They get the general course outline, they see a bunch of possible destinations, but they don't know what numbers they're going to be. And that requires the robot to be able to make sharp turns or gradual turns and get from one end to the other. So it isn't a speed test, it's really an agility test. In addition to the competition, today they also are being interviewed by students in the robotics class at Harvey Mudd, which is taught by Professor Zach Dodds. And those students will be doing the interview, and that requires them teams to have a smaller subgroup of their larger team from all grade levels be able to answer questions about the process. And then they also had to create a display board which outlines basically their scientific method and what they were able to accomplish. They're learning obviously programming skills and being able to do software code and being able to design, which is engineering skills. They're also learning collaboration and teamwork skills, being able to listen to people, share ideas, be able to troubleshoot and debug and find out what is the best design to be able to accomplish the task. They're learning team building skills, and they're also learning how to collaborate and problem solve amongst interpersonal skills.
I'm pretty happy about the way our robot worked. It went really quickly on the line following. It wasn't necessarily as fast as some of the other robots for the quick trip test, but I think we did fairly well. It's a really fun event, so yeah, I really like doing it every year, and it's really fun.